In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign up Tokopedia account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in tokopedia.com. Press enter, or instead of that you can also open the Tokopedia application. You can see over here Tokopedia has been opened. So if you want to sign up for the account, what you have to do is simply click on the register option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the sign up interface of Tokopedia. From here, you'll be able to sign up for your account. You can either use the Google or you can also sign up with phone number or email address. So simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. Now once you do that, click on the register option that you can see on the screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Click on this option, yes. Now the verification code will be sent to your email. What you have to do is go to new tab, click on the search bar, type in gmail.com and press enter. Now Tokopedia should send you the email. If you see the email, click on it and you'll be able to see the verification code. What you have to do is go back to the Tokopedia tab and enter the verification code over here. After you do that, follow through the prompts and your account will be created. Right now I'm not being able to receive the verification code, so I'm just going to go back. Now I'm just going to create the account with Google. For that, click on this option, Google. If you also selected the option for Google, what you have to do is choose an account to continue. Simply click on the account of your choice. Now after you do that, you'll have to allow the access to Tokopedia. Click on this option, continue. Now you can see over here you've signed up for Tokopedia and your account has been created. So that is how you sign up for Tokopedia account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.